Hello and welcome to the premier YouTube channel on shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you a modern industrial home in Western Germany built from 3 container modules. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing home. Welcome back. Known as Containerlove, this is a new modern home in a rural area of Western Germany. It was designed by a Cologne-based architectural studio, LHVH. At first glance, this container house looks like it is just temporary housing located on a rural site surrounded by cow fields, woods, and houses with saddle roofs. The home was assembled from 3 container modules, each 3 meters wide and with varying lengths of 7 meters, 9 meters, and 14 meters. The modules are custom in size, wider than the standard 8-foot intermodal containers, and are also wider than 2.5 meter width. The extra width is useful for additional insulation without compromising the interior space of the container modules. The 3 modules are arranged in an L-shaped floor plan of approximately 90 square meters. The containers sit on a concrete pad foundation on a base covered with a spread of ballast. The master bedroom and bathroom are at one end. A second bedroom and an open office are at the other end, and the living space is in the middle. A wooden terrace accessed from the living room is on the inside corner of the L at the courtyard. The open office area could also quite easily be walled off to form a third bedroom. The elevation of the living room fronting the courtyard is fitted with a sliding glass door which leads onto an outdoor wooden deck. The entire courtyard is perfect for evening barbecues and intimate dinner parties. The interior walls and ceiling are painted white to make the spaces feel brighter and spacious. Pockets of the grooves of raw shipping container walls are visible in some parts of the house interior. The floors are finished in polished plywood to give the house a sleek, modern look. All the rooms are fitted with full-height glazing which can slide wide open to bring in maximum daylighting and also allow for cross ventilation. The house is well furnished with tasteful pieces of art on the walls and artistic furniture spread throughout the house. A stack of books next to a sizable wooden stove in the living room cannot go unnoticed. The fireplace is a nice accessory in the living room as much as is functional to keep the house warm during cold weather. On the outside, the modules are finished with the exposed container walls painted in a shade of gray, which also helps to add to the industrial language of the design. Even though this house was built from custom-made container modules, it is still possible to achieve a similar arrangement and space accommodation with the standard 8-foot wide containers. The modules were prefabricated over 4 weeks in a factory setting, and it took them just 1 day to install them on site and hook up the utilities to make the house move-in ready. The open plan living is our favorite space of the house. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. For these and more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.